今天是男生专场，我们来听听机器到底喜欢怎么样的男生声音。
Lincoln's deeply manifested rejection of the system of slavery was indeed quite complex and could not always convince completely. As many other opponents of slavery in his time, Lincoln was of the opinion that this system of unfree labor would morally corrupt the nation and would be diametrically opposed to the basic principles of republican freedom.
In the 1640s, colonial clergymen had been suggesting the establishment of a college in order to train ministers, preserve the tradition of European liberal education, and lay leadership there in the New World. Finally, on October 9, 1701, an act for liberty to erect a collegiate school was passed by the General Court of the Colony of Connecticut.
The uniquely scented flavor of vanilla is second only to chocolate in popularity on the world's palate. It's also the second most expensive spice after saffron, but highly labor-intensive cultivation methods and the plant's temperamental life cycle and propagation mean production on a global scale is struggling to keep up with the increasing demand for the product.
This species is far too tall and massive for normal half-acre suburbia. It's only appropriate for multi-acre settings, meadows, parks, cemeteries, the ground of big civic buildings. If you actually do have the room for the immensity of all tulip trees would become, plant a small starter plant of the largest possible stretch of open ground, water it attentively that first summer.
其实男生女生高分学员的声音特色上边基本上发音都是比较清晰，朗读的节奏的话都是比较沉稳有力的，他们的语速基本上都是比较适中连贯，同样的异群节奏感还有重弱度是比较突出的。那你会发现他们读的时候其实都不是特别快，因为前面一直讲快不是流利度，然后发音当中有小瑕疵其实也是不影响你拿满分的。好，我们今天的分享就到这里，感谢大家的收听和观看，我们下期再见。